Sa video ito ay akin pong isi-share sa inyo yung aking speech sa Lesson 2, Get the Facts. Ito po ay sa aming public speaking class every Saturday. Salamat po. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, students. Let me ask you this. Have you been curious? Curious in one thing or to a process or principle? When I was young, I used to be curious with other things. And until now, I have my curiosity. And my curiosity is in the principle how plant or tree grows. My purpose today is to share to you how I find facts out of my curiosity. To find facts, I made an experiment. In this experiment, I will find facts on how calamansi tree grows. To begin with, my experiment is to plant a seed of calamansi to produce seedling and herbs. Planting of seed of calamansi, I take a piece of disposable paper cup, make holes at the bottom and to all sides around it. Fill the water cup with fertilized soil up to 3/4 height of the paper cup. I bury the seed into the soil, I watered it, and put it in a place under the sun. After planting the seed, from that day, I began my observation. In my observation, I need to find how many days the seed of calamansi produces seedling and how many days the seedling produces herbs. My experiment gave me these facts. Plant a seed of calamansi and in 1 week the seed produces seedling. The seedling produces in 3 weeks. It is very clear that after 21 days, the herb is ready to be planted on the ground to begin to grow as calamansi tree. Calamansi tree is a fruit-bearing. According to my research, using the Google's application, calamansi tree starts bearing its fruit after 1 year. And in my conclusion, in order to get facts, experiment is the way or tool. In experiment that I made, it helps me make easy to find facts. Jesus confirmed this fact from the book of John 12:24. Truly, truly, I say to you, unless a grain of wheat falls into the earth and dies, it remains alone. But if it is dies, it bear much fruit. Thank you.